My name is Russell Cockerton. I'm Senior Automotive Specialist here in the UK. I head up the Automotive R&D team for High Wycombe. We are the central point for GeoTab in Europe in terms of automotive engineering. Our main focus is working with vehicles, new and old, to reverse engineer and ensure that we're able to install correctly to those vehicles, to interact with them, and then to ensure that we are able to access the data required by our customers. Key aspect of everything that we do within GeoTab, and certainly at automotive, is safety first. So we want to make sure that whenever we're interacting with a vehicle, firstly we're doing it in accordance with manufacturer OEM guidelines to make sure that we're not causing any damage or any faults to that vehicle. We also ensure that our customers receive the data that they require. So it is a constantly evolving situation. Not only new vehicles becoming available, but we see that manufacturers are making changes to existing vehicles. One of our big OEMs recently introduced a software update to their vehicles, which meant that we had to go back and do some work around to accommodate that change and also to take advantage of the new data that they'd made available. Upstairs you will have seen our GeoTab museum, which is the only one in the world, collected here in the office. It shows the evolution of the Go device from the very first Go 1 back in 2000 all the way through to our Go 9B or Go 9 Rugged, which is our latest iteration. As it's evolved, we've incorporated things like a GSM modem, so now we're able to give live data as that vehicle moves, back in 2003, 2004, and then started to interact with the vehicle itself, not only giving positional data, but engine data or vehicle data. One of the powers of GeoTab, and one of the things that we're very, very good at, is we're able to assist anybody with any fleet size. So literally from the smallest fleet with 1 or 2 vehicles all the way through to our largest fleets where we're running literally upwards of 300,000 or 400,000 vehicles in a single fleet. The more data hungry customers who need to make real-time decisions on fuel economy, on fault codes, on maintenance of their vehicles. So they receive the information from the vehicle. It's not us generating it, we're just providing it to the customer, we're telling you what the vehicle tells us, is the golden rule. So are you able to maintain that vehicle? Does it need a service? Not only do we do normal vehicles in inverted commas, but we also work with customers in extreme situations. So a big project that we worked on recently is with the British Antarctic Survey, BAS. They're operating obviously in the Antarctic where temperatures are minus 70 degrees, no cell phone network, no formal communications apart from old HF radios or UHF radio. They need to be able to receive a notification of a potential emergency or accident, but they also need to be able to capture that data and review what they've done to optimize their performance, to minimize their impact on the environment.